Hi, John here. In this video I will show you how to find 7-figure dropshipping products using Facebook search. And I will also show you specific winning products and how you can find them using different keywords in Facebook search. But first, thank you for watching my videos, and if you would like to see more of them, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also if you have some interesting ideas about future videos, then definitely comment below. Okay, let's start now in my Facebook. Basically now I will show you a couple of these keywords and take you through that search process. So let's start with first keyword, this one. And go to videos. And here you can see first product. 31st March, 11 million views, and it's this product. Actually, this is like one of those like best-selling products on AliExpress. I already tested it. It's not a bad product. You can test it as well. And since we already see this product, right, we can check in Facebook also that store, right? So because if they already like got 11 million views, that means that they have cash to promote, right? And it's possible that this is not like only product that they are promoting. So let's just check this, and let's check home. And now we will basically check that transparency of this page, right? So I can see probably here is like one owner from France and probably like 3 VAs from Vietnam. So let's just go to ads library, and you will click this, and right now they have a little like nothing going on. Yeah, so it's possible this page already lost access, to run ads because, well, like a lot of pages did. So let's just check another one, maybe we'll find something better. And here is another one, 42, oh, here is, yeah. Actually, this one is right now super popular, because it's like seasonal product, right? Because now it's winter, and this is actually a great product. I think I already like show it in one video in the past. You can check that video. And well, let's just check that store, but I don't think it will work because I see they don't have anybody in that organization, so they probably lost their privilege to run ads, and that's why they deleted every person that they have from that page. So I think this is also like that page, they probably lost it like recently, I don't know. Yeah, they probably lost it like very recently, since they were still running this couple of weeks ago. Let's keep going. So we can now check, for example, this one. This is another ice scraper, and you can see that this is like some very generic name of store, but they made a couple of million views, so maybe it's like okay. And again, they were running basically till 23rd November. They look very close to this store, so maybe it's like same owner or something, and probably is. So let's just check this one, page transparency. And they have some people from Vietnam who manage it. Maybe they run some ads. No, but anyway, you got the point. So basically, with this kind of keyword, you can find some ads. So let's just use some other keywords to find more ads. And another one that I use is, let's try free shipping. And here's possibly we'll find some dropshipping products. This is definitely dropshipping product, but it's 7 views, so it's not so great. But this is dropshipping product, it has quite a lot of views, so we can test this one. It's from 30 March, this is definitely dropshipping product. And well, you can always like see their ad, and then you can check the store. You can go to home again. Basically in videos you will find probably also some other products that you can use, but you can definitely check that page transparency and see if they are running some ads, so they have basically one person from Canada, so I don't know if they will be running anything. It's possible. No, they don't. See, if you want to see ads that these pages were actually running in the past, because right now usually here in Facebook you see, well, ads that were run recently by that page. But if they already lost everything and they deleted everything, then I definitely suggest to actually watch my previous video about AdSpy and how I search for products there, because with AdSpy you basically have database of all these ads that you see here for like the last 4 or 5 years or something, okay? So basically you can see all these ads and, well, see their copy, so what all these stores, because these stores could be like old, and they might got killed, recently with that Facebook customer feedback score apocalypse. And well, you can see all their ads and all their products with AdSpy, so you can check that. Okay, let's just search for another video. Let's try grab yours. This could be dropshipping product, possibly, or it might be even like white label, you never know. Okay, let's just check their ads they're running right now, because a lot of these bags that they're actually selling are like very common, you know. So see, so they have like tons of ads that are running right now. This is how you can actually read, you know, there. You can also have like some kind of like inspiration from these pages, right? So this is actually like very nice page because you can see how they are using it, right? So they have a lot of different, you know, like information about their store, and they also like created that shop inside of it, right? Sometimes people will see your ad, you know, maybe they will think like, no, I will not buy it, but they will still check the store, you know, and they will see what you are actually like selling here as well, you know, without going to that page, you know. So that's also a great idea to have. Okay, another one is by here. Yeah, I would not go with this one. It's like a suicide, you know, for Facebook. Well, Hego Shop is actually great inspiration for products, right? Because it's like one of those like oldest shops, you know, and I don't know if they are dropshipper or white label, but I think they are dropshipper, but like big one, right? So you can see what they are actually running right now, and well, maybe there's like something, and they don't run anything right now. But in this case, I think they will probably be running a lot of products, but with different pages, right? Maybe they are doing pages specifically for each product, you know. So when they will kill their customer feedback score, maybe they will just be able to survive. And you can check their videos or their posts, because here you will also see almost all those products they are selling. I would be very careful about like these and these, you know, because it's almost like healthy product, and well, right now it's like a flag fest, you know. So if you don't want to lose everything, then I would be very careful to launching these products, you know, because Facebook really love them, you know. I mean, they don't, but and they will shut you down, so don't do it, okay? And if you got shut down, then definitely download my free ebook, Facebook Brand Survival Guide. I wrote it to get you out of the Facebook circle of hell, you know, so we'll be able to keep selling your stuff, you know. And well, yeah, so if you did this, you know, and launch one of these like very dangerous products, then definitely download the book because it will save you. And if you still can't, you know, get your ad accounts back, then definitely join Adferation, my free Facebook mastermind group, and we will help you there. Another one we will do order now. Here is like a lot of like beauty products, so I will just test another one. This one is like a little bit longer, but I think it's like one of the most used one. People are going crazy over. This is probably like a dropshipping keyword, right? Because almost like every dropshipper was using it in the past. I think Facebook now hates it, you know. See, this is like definitely a dropshipping store. I don't know if they are still alive because last ad was from that time and page isn't running ads. Okay, so we can keep going. Basically, this is definitely a dropshipping store, but well, just 52 views. This is dropshipping store 100%. Well, you can just keep going, you know, and you will find like a lot of like inspiration here. And what is actually great is that you can search, you know, through all these products, and sometimes you will find like real old videos, you know, products that people already forget, and you can then take these products and bring them back to market, you know, and you will be like one of those like smallest number of people, you know, who sell them. So you will actually be able to sell tons of them before people will start like cloning your ads, you know, and trying to like compete with you, which is great. And what is also great that most of these products that are also old will be definitely in stock, you know, with on AliExpress and wherever, you know, and people will be actually happy to finally like sell them out, you know, so we'll even get like better prices. Let's just keep going. Yeah, tag a friend who needs it. Tag a friend who needs. We'll just do this one. Tons of like dropshipping products. So tag a friend who needs this, you know. So this is definitely dropshipping product. This is some like jar opener, definitely dropshipping product. I don't know about these teas, but I would definitely not launch anything what has something to do with like these close shots of teas, you know, because that's like a suicide, okay? If you will do this now, maybe they made it in March 2019. But still, even back then it was dangerous. And if you will do it now, it's like you are dead, okay? And if you will make it, and that ad will work, they will still shut it down, because at some point they will check you manually, right? So if you will get like million views or something, they will check you manually and kill it, and with that will be dead your whole product. Yeah, so you can just keep going and searching, you know. And we can try another one, not sold in stores. Yeah, here's one of those, like a very popular one, the belt, you know. Here is another thing, the dog bottle. This is also super popular, you know. And yeah, this one is also a great seller. So if you want to get ready for summer, if you will launch this in like spring, then you will probably like, this might work in spring, you know. Then you will be like very happy, okay? Because this product sells like every year, year by year, you know. And I can also see it because, well, I'm also selling the product, but not actively. However, from spring, you know, till like end of summer, I see that this product is one of those like most of the time like added as like a second product, right? Because every time when I sell my main product that I'm pushing with Facebook ads, then I offer people, you know, 30% discount for next product in like first 1 hour after that purchase. And usually they in summer and spring add this product to cart and buy it. Okay, let's do another one. Tag someone who would love. And here is, I don't know if this is dropshipping product, but this is dropshipping product. When it comes to these products, they are actually like trademark, like Pokemon, or you are selling like some from Harry Potter or Avengers or whatever, then I would be very careful, because, well, that's just like a way to hell, right? And at some point you will get shut down, and, well, I would just not do it. Like, I never sell anything what is like trademarked, like never, okay? So be careful and don't do trademark things, because at some point, if you have like some company that is probably like in EU or USA, you know, Canada, Australia, there is like possibility that you could one day receive like some not nice letter, you know. So definitely like stay away from trademark stuff if you don't own the trademark. Yeah, and again, you can just keep searching, you know, and you will find like a lot of stuff here. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it helped you, because that Facebook search is probably like one of those best tools out there, right? I mean, it's not that great like that spy programs, because with those spy programs you can literally like go in seconds in the past, you know, couple of years. And with Facebook tools, sometimes these pages don't exist, you know, so you can't really like search for everything, but it's still better than nothing, right? So if you are starting out and you have no money to invest to like spy programs, which are not like cheapest, you know, because it's usually like $120, $150 per month, you know, then that Facebook tool is great, because you will be able to find their ads that have like millions of views, you know, are already like tested, you know, with copy, and, well, you will be able to also like find a lot of these products online, you know, on AliExpress. So it's probably like one of those like best tools, definitely best free tool for that product research. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in next video. And also don't forget to join Adferation, my free Facebook mastermind group. And if you have some more advanced questions about e-commerce or Facebook advertising, definitely join that group, because it's full of people who spend millions of dollars every month, you know, on Facebook, or make millions of dollars in e-commerce, okay? So we will be able to help you with more advanced questions, you know. So definitely do that, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.